Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Papa Palpatine's Lightning Show. And our lovely spokesmodel, Princess Leia of Alderaan. Give her a hand, boys. Yes.
Today's episode is brought to you by the LED Beanbag Toss Game by Palpatine Amusements. Oops.
Okay, now let's start everybody's favorite game show. And our first contestant is Master Yoda, Grand Master of the Jedi Order. Hello, my little green friend. Long have I waited for this. Stand up. What? Oh, it's so hard to get in. Anyway.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, that tasted like cat. Anyway.
What good?
Okay, and, Grandmaster Pug. No, that's me.
No.
Lou. No, oh, what is your name? Yoda, that's it, Yoda. Okay, now, for our first question, finish this sentence. Blank the other white meat.
Root leaf.
What's that, judges? Oh, yes, we can accept that answer. And you have won a 2-night and 2-day stay at a fabulous Canto Bite Inn and Casino.
Really? I already won?
Yes, shut up.
Oh.
Question number 2. Who is everybody's favorite emperor?
My guess would be you.
That's right. Yes. And now you've won an additional 2 more days and 2 more nights, plus a few credits to fund your gambling adventures.
Oh, yes. Don't tell my GA sponsor. See, I'm in Gamblers Anonymous.
Oh, well, if there's anybody out there from Gamblers Anonymous, turn the TV off. There, that should take care of it.
Thank you.
So, now, would you like to keep that, or would you like to play the lightning round?
What's the lightning round?
That's when I hit you with lightning.
You know what? I better save that for the next person. Who's the next contestant?
Oh, let's see. Who do we have next?
Hold on.
Oh, dear. Guards, come help him up. Come. Oh, dear. Oh, fine, I'll help you. And our next contestant is the beautiful Ahsoka Tano and Ezra Bridger. Oh, no. Sorry,
He's not here.
Just Ahsoka Tano. So, Miss Tano, how are you? Nobody cares. Okay. For first question, what color socks am I wearing?
Sorry.
Wrong answer! Somebody! Get up. You have to play the game.
No one told me about that part.
What's that?
The part that you shocked me.
Well, it's the lightning show.
Oh, true.
Anyway, next question, I'll make it an easy one. How many years did I plan ahead for the Clone Wars?
That would be 10.
Wrong answer. Now you've got it. Now we play the lightning round.
Oh no.
So, now, I hit you with lightning, and if you pee your pants, then we'll all laugh. Ready? Zappity. Oh, sorry about that. Come on, Sokiyoki, get up.
Before you hit me with lightning again, could I have one more question? Just give me a second.
Certainly.
Okay, I got. You said there was one more question.
Yes. This is an easy question. It's almost like giving you one.
Right?
Who is the best looking man in the galaxy?
Oh, Captain Rex.
Wrong. It's me. I was pointing at me. Did you not see me pointing at me?
Well, I figured it was just because you go a little crazy sometimes. You were trying to.
Somebody. Next contestant.
Hey, Palpatine, you can't talk to her that way. She's a beautiful lady.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. I feel so horrible. I've hurt your feelings. Not. Zappity. I love my job.
Am I interrupting something?
Yes, the Emperor, he's kind of electrocuted me just a bit. Good thing I'm wearing my rubber underwear.
Master, I think you got him pretty good. I see liquid dripping on the floor.
I spilled my coffee. That's all it was.
We never gave you coffee.
Oh. Uh-oh. Oh dear. I'll be right back.
Jeez. Okay, Master, I think you might ought to tone it down. We only have the one janitor today.
Okay, get up. I forgot to tell you. Now, we have a lovely parting gift for you. Princess Leia of Alderaan, if you don't mind, present her with our lovely parting.
Ah, and for the lovely Ahsoka Tano, we have the lovely LED beanbag toss game. Here you go. Enjoy it. And no, Emperor, I am not wearing that stupid metal bikini.
And our next contestant is Grand Admiral Thrawn. How do you do, Grand Admiral? Yes? No, use your outside voice.
I'm sorry, but I was. You just did not have my microphone on.
Oh, the gaffer or whatever it is that takes care of the microphones. Could you put your hand up? Yes, you. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now, your first question is, how many planets are in the Outer Rim territory that have a breathable atmosphere and only one moon? Well, there are 7 that have breathable atmospheres and one moon, and another 12 that have a breathable atmosphere, one moon, and several asteroids. Judges, is that correct? Yes? Oh, well, that's correct. Well, you're just a fountain of knowledge. Anyway, so your prize is my brand new cookbook and a free cat. All right. Hey, there you go. All right. Yes. Oh, thank you, sir. I've never really tried cat. Oh, you'll love it. It's wonderful. Oh, the other white meat. Okay, and your second question. On the Imperial Star Destroyer Executor, how many unisex rest room doilies are there on the captain's level? Well, sir, that would be 12, with an additional 4 in the lower compartments that are also considered captain's quarters. Judges? Oh, that's right. Well, very impressive. Very impressive indeed. Now, for the grand prize, I think you shall get a 3-night stay at the fabulous Mustafar Inn and Spa. But, do you want to keep that, or do you want to wager it and go for the lightning round? I think I will keep it, sir, because the lightning round would result in me getting hit by lightning. Yes. Yes, it would. Well, I don't see that as being a good time. What if I urinate upon myself as that unfortunate clone trooper did? Yeah, that was a good one, wasn't it? Oh, now don't hurt the kitty. Killing them is one thing. Don't hurt them. So, now, what is it? Will you keep what you have, or will you trade it for a brand new N1 Naboo starfighter with the chromium undercarriage? I have no need of a Naboo starfighter, sir. Fine, fine, fine. Just take your stuff and go. Who's my next contestant? Next contestant. Where are you? Oh, this game is wearing me out.
Master,
Yes.
would you mind if I write a little message to Thrawn up on the board there?
Oh. Certainly. Can you tell him that... Oh, whatever you want to tell him, I don't care.
Great.
Wait a minute. What are you going to tell him?
Oh, it's nothing much.
Oh, well, in that case, don't worry about it. Whatever.
It just starts with F.
Oh. Fare thee well, my friend?
Sure.
Okay. Are you my next contestant, or are you just some worthless loiterer?
Oh, actually, I'm just here because someone said there was free drinks. I'll have one over here, but make it 2. It's a long walk. Save you the trip, you know. Yes. 2.
And that will conclude today's episode. Don't forget to tune in next week for your favorite show, Papa Palpy's Lightning Round. No, Papa Palpy's Polyps? Papa Palpy's Pound Puppies? No.
Master,
Oh, whatever. Just turn the TV on. Or you'll get a zapping.
Master, it's Papa Palpy's lightning show.
That's it. What he said. Yes. Okay. That's it. Turn off the camera.